guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a clean with me. My house is a little bit of a mess. We have dishes in the sink, dog hair literally everywhere, dog toys everywhere. So I hope this video motivates you to get going on anything you need to get done today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the clean.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.
The two main areas we're going to be focusing on today are the living room and the kitchen, where we spend most of our time, so they definitely need some love.
Oh, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus.
I always like to start my day off by getting my essential oils ready. I got this diffuser from Amazon, pretty cheap, so I'll link it down below for you. But I do get my essential oils from the Magic Candle Company. They specialize in Disney scents, so this is Beach Resort, which is supposed to smell just like the lobby of the Yacht & Beach Club, and it totally does. I do have two diffusers. This one I got from Target in the sales section. Just because it is such a large area, I want to be able to smell it throughout the house. And I like to display that diffuser on a cake stand, actually.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving.
You'll definitely be seeing a lot of my golden retriever Chooby in the video. He likes to follow me around when I clean the house. However, it does cut into his nap time, but he's super cute, so enjoy the Chooby cameos.
I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. So you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus.
So I am starting to wash the dishes right here. The dish soap that I use is the Mrs. Meyer's brand. It's really, really good at cutting grease before I load it up in the dishwasher. The scent I use is Bluebell. I don't know what it is, but it smells just like the rum in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. I swear it does, and I love that.
Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling, falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again.
I always like to clean out my sink once I'm done doing the dishes. It just makes me feel better. I use the Mrs. Meyer's brand dish soap when I'm not doing a deep clean of the sink, just to make it smell good and refreshed.
I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
I will also put essential oils down the drain every time. This is a peppermint scented one. I'm not sure the brand, but I know we got it from Target. And if you like essential oils, definitely put it down your sink. It just makes everything smell a lot better for longer. We did make bacon that morning, so the cooktop is pretty gross. And I do know Chooby is eating something in the background. I'll grab that in a second. But I do use Wyman's glass cooktop cleaner. It gets all the gunk, dried up food, and water stains off of our glass cooktop. I also use their special sponge as well. And when I wipe it up and polish it, I'll just use a paper towel, and it looks brand new every single time. Even if we go all out, we can stand it away. Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter. I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. To clean our quartz countertops, I'll also use the Wyman Clean and Shine 4 quartz. I also use microfiber towels pretty much for everything. It's better for the environment. All I have to do is throw it in the washing machine once I'm done, and Amazon sells them in huge packs for $5. So if you want to be better on the environment, definitely do microfiber towels.
It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do.
And these are the flowers I was talking about in my previous video that are always set for the time of the year. And now I'm picking up my dog's toys that he loves to get out. If you look off to the right, that's actually the dog crate Shane and I made together. We designed it and put it together ourselves. I just really didn't want a black wired crate in the middle of the living room. Can anybody relate? So we made our own. I'm also showing you some masks that Shane's mom makes us. They're super cute. I just want to point out that I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner for the coffee table. I don't really like to use Pledge because I don't like the coffee table super shiny. And I'm showing you a magazine picture of a golden retriever. It looks like Chooby, but it's definitely not. Maybe one day.
What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say now.
So I will use Pledge over here along with my Swiffer dusters for my round shelves that I was talking about in my first video that I like to decorate. I have to dust at least twice a week, and I swear it looks like I haven't dusted in a year. I don't know what's going on. It's always been that way since we've moved here. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know. I think we're going to try to get an air purifier sometime this winter. And this is my pride and joy, my Dyson Animal 11. This is seriously the best vacuum cleaner I have ever used in my life. They are a little pricey, but if you look around, sometimes Bed Bath & Beyond will have some coupons for them. It just really gets the house very clean. It gets that dog hair up really well. So if you have a lot of dogs, or if you have a dog that sheds a lot, I definitely recommend the Dyson 11. It will change your world.
From body to body, yeah. Get
Hey, Shane. Yeah, Shane will help me vacuum underneath our couch every single time. Thanks. Yeah, our floors are vinyl. They're not hardwood. They're not laminate. They're vinyl, which is super nice. I don't have to use any special products on them. All I use is the multi-surface or the wood spray on the Swiffer. It'll come up in just a second when I Swiffer the rest of the house. But I really, really love the vinyl floors. They're very easy to take care of.
You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know.
So we do have a Reusable rug, and I really enjoy that I can just throw it in the washing machine if we spill something on it or something like that. But it is pretty thin, so if you like that plush feeling in a rug, this one really doesn't have it, but it's very easy to take care of, and that is so gross. That is 2 days worth of hair and dust. Just 2 days.
Just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent.
So the Dyson has quite a few head attachments, and this one I found works best for fabrics, especially on your couch. Yeah, it will shock you how much you will vacuum up on your couch. Definitely clean your couch as often as you can. I try to do it maybe once every 2 weeks, and I feel like that really helps, especially if you have allergies. It will definitely help.
I belong to you.
So I vacuumed the couch, the living room, and the kitchen, and I still have amazing battery life left. After that, I'll spray the couch with a room spray that I got from the Magic Candle Company. This is confectionery. It's super sweet. And I also like to use the microfiber towel material for my Swiffer as well. They're reusable. All I have to do is throw it in the washing machine once I'm done with it. And I think I am using the wooden spray in my Swiffer right now, but it's totally safe for vinyl floors. So that's what the pad looks like after the living room and dining room. Honestly, not that bad.
I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below and subscribe if you'd like. That would really mean a lot to me. These videos are a lot of fun to make, and I know that the house always makes me feel better when it's nice and clean and it smells nice. Anyways, guys, have a great day, and again, thanks for watching.